Living in a dim apartment or a home with few windows doesn't mean you can't have a jungle. Here are 5 beautiful houseplants that actually thrive in low light conditions. First up is the snake plant. It's a top contender for the easiest plant on earth because it tolerates extremely low light and can even handle periods of total darkness. The thick, upright leaves function like a camel's hump, storing water. This means you only need to water it about once a month, making it incredibly easy to maintain. The golden rule: pity watering will kill it. If you are unsure if it's dry, wait another week. It's almost impossible to underwater a snake plant. Next is the ZZ plant. If you have a room with no windows at all, this is the plant you need. It is famously resilient to poor lighting conditions. Those unique, bulbous structures at the base of the stems are called rhizomes. They act like reservoirs, storing water for months at a time. Maintenance tip: keep the waxy leaves clean. Dust buildup blocks what little light the plant is receiving. Give the leaves a gentle wipe occasionally so it can photosynthesize efficiently. The cast iron plant earned its name for being virtually indestructible. It laughs at conditions that would cause other plants to wither, specifically low light and drafty corners. This is a slow and steady grower. While it won't transform your room overnight, it will stay reliably green and healthy, even in deep shade. If you see brown spots or crispy tips, check for drafts. The cast iron plant hates fluctuating temperatures, so keep it away from direct heating or cooling vents. For a tropical look in a dark room, the parlor palm is your best bet. Unlike most palms that crave the sun, this one actually prefers dim, indirect light. It stays relatively small and compact, making it the perfect choice for bookshelves or office desks that don't get much natural light. Quick maintenance tip: this palm loves humidity. If your home is dry, give it a quick misting once a week, or place it on a pebble tray to keep the fronds from turning crispy. Finally, the corn plant. This plant brings a bold, tropical, tree-like look to your home and is remarkably tolerant of lower light levels. It's a great choice for beginners because it thrives on neglect and can easily adapt to the inconsistent lighting found in most residential homes. To keep those sword-shaped leaves looking perfect, avoid overwatering. Let the top few inches of soil dry out completely before you even consider reaching for your watering can. At Plantopedia, we appreciate these resilient species for their bold presence and their ability to bring life to the dimmest spaces. By following these simple steps, you're not just growing a single plant, you're building a thriving, living masterpiece. Give your collection the care it deserves. This video is part of Plantopedia's Growing Plant Library on YouTube. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.